how to make payment for Walmart rewards card. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. You can do it online using the Capital One app or the website. You will log into your Capital One account using your credentials, then navigate to the Walmart rewards card section. Click on make a payment, choose your payment amount, then you have to enter your bank account information if it's not already saved, and just confirm and submit your payment. You can do this via the mobile app as well. So you have to download the Capital One app, sign into your account, then select Walmart rewards card, tap make a payment, choose your payment amount and payment source, and just review and submit your payment. And the last method I am going to show you is in store. You will visit any Walmart location, go to the customer service desk or money center, inform the staff that you would like to make a payment for your Walmart rewards card, and provide the required payment information and your account card or account number. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.